I'm Jennifer Angel. These are your stars, Aries. Now you have this week, Aries, to get your act together before Mercury, which is in your sign, goes retrograde on the 12th. So this is the week that you really need to fine-tune anything that needs to have the I's dotted and the T's crossed. Anything you can finalize and this week is better than leaving it. When Mercury is retrograde, things can slow down. It can cause all sorts of confusion, misunderstandings. Mercury is the planet of communication. Also, it has to do with media, any type of communication. Also, computers and electronics as well, and travels, particularly just short journeys. So be forewarned on that. The other thing to watch this week for you, Aries, is finances. So you have Venus, which is the planet that governs money and possessions, in your solar second house. Good position to be in. It's quite comfortable there because it also rules Taurus. Sorry, just got it blank there. I'm still battling this cold, as you can see. Excuse me. But there is a connection between Taurus and Neptune, the planet of fantasy. So you want to make sure that anything to do with money, is real and not fantasized. So, make sure you're seeing the real situation of a financial matter rather than what you would like it to be or what people perhaps are exaggerating that it could be, okay? But putting that aside, this is a very good time coming up for you to do with money and property and investments. So, just keep both in mind. There's generally a positive and a negative to every situation, okay? I'm Jennifer Angel. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.